Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 31359. The job location is in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The candidate should ideally have the following skills. Should have overall 10 years of experience with at least 5 years of experience implementing Azure Data Factory, ADF, has to work on pipeline, data ingestion framework, and data transformation framework. Experience in Azure platform, big data, cloud technologies. Process knowledge on data lake and reporting tools. Responsible for project architecture finalization. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.